Hi, my name is Beth Flippo, and I'm the CEO of Drone Express. And we have created a new marketplace where you can get anything you want delivered right to your door in under 15 minutes using our autonomous aircraft. So Amazon has proven that we all want unlimited delivery. So why with local delivery are we still paying a per delivery fee plus a tip? And the answer is simple. Because when it comes to local delivery, the cost is constantly changing based on gas, local labor laws, weight, distance, time, and traffic. How can you offer unlimited delivery if you don't know what each delivery is going to cost? Autonomous drones cut through all of that. It is the exact same cost and time anywhere in the world per delivery. So on our marketplace, you get the same benefits as Amazon Prime. Unlimited delivery, no minimum order quantity, and no tipping, except you get it in 15 minutes instead of 2 days. This is the autonomy economy, and this is Drone Express.
It all sounds pretty good to me. I want to learn more. If you guys want to learn more, they're going to be at booth number 85. The next one up is Stumbl. Let's give them a warm welcome. Come on, Starbuck.
Hi, I'm Megan Johnson, CEO and co-founder of Stumbl. My co-founder and I have over 45 years of experience in global marketplaces and have previously raised over $83 million. Excess inventory is surging, and off-price is actually growing 5 times faster than traditional retail. Consumers think the only place that they can get off-price inventory is in a retail store, but those retail stores don't want to go online. Enter Stumbl, the off-price marketplace for brands and retailers to offer excess inventory and where consumers can get 85% off designer brands. Think TJ Maxx online. In our first 5 months, we've generated over $100,000 in sales with a 45% margin. We have over 150 brands, including Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, and Tommy Hilfiger. We are on the fast track to do over $1 million in our first year. Invest in us. Join us at booth 86, and let's take down those retail dinosaurs.
Thank you, Stumbl. Next one up is all the way from Germany, Propel. Let's give them a warm welcome, Starbuck.
Propel is building a new business model called Community as a Service. There are hundreds of communities doing amazing work across the world, getting people into tech. We have built a platform that these communities use to solve their last mile problems. Through this platform, we've onboarded one of the largest ecosystem of tech communities globally, on the one hand, Web3 communities, AI, DevOps, and the likes. And on the other hand, we work with companies like Mercedes, Porsche, Siemens across the world to leverage these communities on demand to drive their people, product, or business goals. Think about finding talents, deploying hackathons, acquiring early users, beta testers, and more. We've raised 2.5 million euros in funding. We've driven over 200K in revenue on a monthly basis, and we're here to find customers. So if you're thinking of how to leverage communities to drive your people, startup, product, or business goals, please talk to us after this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Propel. You can meet them at booth number 87. The next one up is THDR from Australia. Come on, Startup Grind. We can do a little better.
Most of your home is smart, but what about your garments and clothes? My name's Tim, and I'm the founder of the THDR Group. We're a fashion tech company that specializes in unique custom clothing. We utilize AI body measurement app and NFC clothing chips to redefine the way that consumers engage with fashion. A testament to this is our luxury menswear brand Theodore. In just 2.5 years, we've generated $7.3 million in sales, and we're not done there. We're about to launch our women's wear brand, and we're set to lead the charge in the future of fashion. Thanks.
Thank you. You can meet them at booth number 88. The next one up is geCKo Materials. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Capella Kirst, and I'm the founder and CEO of geCKo Materials, the revolutionary bio-inspired dry adhesive company. Normally, to attach 2 objects, you need tape, glue, or suction. geCKo Materials is none of these. This is our truly disruptible tech. Let's take it off. It falls off easily under its own weight, requiring no force to attach nor detach. You can reuse it 120,000 times. It's rated at 120 kilopascals of shear strength, equivalent to 1 square-inch tile, supporting 15 pounds vertically. You can use it in any barometric environment here on Earth as well as in deep space. We're currently on the International Space Station, and some of our Earth customers are Honda, Ford, Toyota, GE, just to name a few. We're very excited to help customers save energy, time, and money. We're currently raising $8 million. We did $727,000 in revenue this past year, and we're currently on track to double that. Please come to our booth. We look forward to innovating and helping you save energy, time, and money. Thank you.
Thank you, geCKo Materials. You can meet them on booth number 89 and test their very strong adhesives. Next one up is Zette. Come on, let's give them a round of applause.
What's up, Startup Grind? Oh, come on, that was weak. Let's do that again. What's up, Startup Grind? Woo! Amazing. Now, I want to see a show of hands. How many of you have ever hit a paywall before? That's that out of free article banner that you might see when you're browsing the news. Okay, lots of hands out there. Well, if you recognize that screen, you're one of 1 billion people who hit paywalls every day, which have a 99.7% bounce rate and leads to an epidemic of misinformation. Zette solves this. I'm the founder and CEO, I'm Ye Hung, by working with a number of publishers worldwide, integrating on the back end, and then helping you unlock paywalls with just one click, like magic. We also have an AI layer to recommend the best content online. And for a limited time only, we have a crowdfunding vehicle open for Startup Grind attendees closing in 48 hours at zette.ai/invest. So to learn more, find our booth. We're right outside. We're bright yellow. Can't miss us. And we can't wait to make America smart again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Zette. And the next one up is InSilicoTrials. Let's give them a nice welcome.
Hi everyone, I'm Luca, CEO of InSilicoTrials. We work to hyper-accelerate drug development using modeling and simulation. Millions of patients around the world are dying because of cancer, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's, many other diseases. And they are our parents, relatives, friends. We need to stop that. We need to provide new treatment to patients expecting that. But creating a new drug requires about an investment of 2.2 billion average and 12 years. To accelerate that, we're using algorithm, Gen AI, and modeling, combined in a platform with components coming from more than 70 research centers, the FDA is one of these, to help companies to execute simulation or reduce up to 40% the time for the development of new drugs. This means an earlier access to the market, so providing product to patient earlier, so saving lives and increasing the market exclusivity period of products, so generating more revenues when the product is on the market. It's a very efficient way to generate new therapies. Thank you very much.